Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the dictation. Start. A long time has passed and a reply from Pakistan is still awaited. It is a strange situation. We wanted to recall our representatives. They had no work to do, but then we thought that Pakistan might make it a pretext and say that we recalled them. Therefore, we let them stay there till such time as a reply was received. In the end, we told the World Bank to fix some date for Pakistan's reply so that we might know where we stood. Otherwise, a whole lifetime might pass in waiting. They accepted our suggestion and told Pakistan that they should reply within a week whether they accepted the principle or not, with details to be settled later. When they did this, Pakistan showed signs of life and began to run about. In the end, their Honorable Minister undertook the long journey to Washington. Many things were said about the issue, neither yes nor no, but that they would consider and so on. The World Bank told them that this reply amounted to a rejection. Should it be taken that they had rejected the proposals, or had they something more to say? Pakistan saw how the matter would end. They felt that if they rejected the proposals and India accepted them, the consequences would perhaps not be good for them, because the effect would have been that our interim agreement would come to an end, the discussions would end, and the World Bank's suggestions to us to pay them crores of rupees would become ineffective. The rights of both sides were clear. Then the World Bank asked Pakistan to give a clear reply. We had made our arrangements for the return of our deputation, but only 3 or 4 days ago, Pakistan said that they accepted the principle underlying the proposals put forward by the World Bank. But they added that they could not give a final reply unless the whole picture was before them. That is the same old legal quibbling. On one side, they say that they have accepted the proposals, and on the other, they keep the door open for escape on the pretext that they have not seen the full picture. This is where matters stand at present. Meanwhile, when Pakistan did not accept the proposals, we wrote to the World Bank that we had been marking time for 3 months or so. Stop.